What is up, ADG traders? This is Munya and welcome back to my trading channel. Today we're going to be looking at another trend catching booming crash strategy that is going to help you manage your trades, manage your trends, and stay in line with the trend. As long as if you can identify the trend, then you're good to go. Whichever direction you're going, you still make profit. So whether you're doing spike catching or you're going against the spikes, you still catch your pips. Okay, so the strategy looks like the one on my screen. We're basically going to try and set it up together step by step. For those that are new to this channel, I review different trading strategies each and every single day, and we look at the strategies that give us the highest probability in trading so that we become profitable traders. So I would advise you to first try this out on your demo accounts before moving on to your real accounts and see how it goes. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post here on this channel. Okay, so this is how the strategy looks like. I'm going to remove all the indicators that you see on my screen so that we can have a step-by-step process of installing this. The first indicator that you will need is called the envelopes, and they're going to be on your main chart, and they're going to have the following parameters. Okay, we've got a period of 14, a shift of 0, the deviation is 0.1. The method is simple, apply to close. We've got our upper band with this blue color and our lower band with this red color. Please try and follow the same colors that I'm using throughout this video so that you do not get confused when I refer back to these colors. Okay, make sure that this indicator can appear on all time frames just like any other indicator that we're going to install today. So if I click done, I should have the red and blue bands running across my chart, as you can see. Okay, that's the first indicator that we need. The second indicator that we need is going to form our indicator window 1, and that is the RSI, or the relative strength index, and it is going to have the following parameters. We've got a period of 1, apply to close, and the style is white or the same color as your background. So I've got a white background and I chose white there. We're going to need these 3 levels: level 10, level 90, and level 50. So make sure you add them, and you're going to click done. And if you go back, you should be able to see the RSI with the 3 levels that we need. Okay, and then finally the last indicator that we need is our moving average, and it should go under our indicator window 1. So I'm going to go to indicator window 1, then look for the moving average that we need, which is this one. We just got the following settings. The period is 10, the shift is 0, the method is exponential, apply to close, and on the styling I have got that green color right there. And if I click done, you see that we'll have a green color down here under our RSI. Okay, so this means that we have successfully installed the strategy, and what we're left with now is understanding how the strategy works and knowing when to buy, knowing when to sell. Remember, I said with this strategy you can actually do both spike catching and spike and scalping. Sorry, okay, so it's a 2-in-1 booming crash strategy. They can do spike catching and scalping. Okay, I think some of you can already tell how this strategy works, so we're gonna go through the conditions together and see how exactly it works, and I'll try and give you other tips that you can use in order to have an advantage in the market. Remember, we always want to have that edge in the market for us to win. We need to be to have a high probability set for us to actually win in the market, because no one knows whether the market is going to go up or down. But what we can only do is put ourselves in a situation where we are in a high probability position. Okay, before we get into all that, don't forget to click the subscribe button, like this video if you want to see more like this. Let's get to 100 likes, guys, so that I know that at least I am talking to 100 people that are listening and that are learning through this platform. You can also comment down below any other things that you want. If you have questions, I'll try and answer them in the comments section below. Feel free to join our Telegram channel. The link will be in the description box below. In that channel, you'll be able to see my trading results, our VIP signals. You'll be able to see our account management program and everything that we post in that channel that's going to help you grow in your trading journey. You'll be able to freely get that. Like I said, the link will be in the description box below. You just click the link and it will take you straight to our Telegram channel, and you can join for free. There are over 7,000 traders in the group, so it's a great community for traders. And you can also check out our TikTok account. The link will also be in the description box below, where there are other strategies that can help you grow. So we've got this really big platform for you guys to get information for free, and also we also have the paid version where we do our one-on-one mentorship. So if you're interested in that, if you want to learn on price action, how to use indicators, confluence trading, how to mix it all up for you to be a successful trader, feel free to contact me. My number will also be in the Telegram channel, so make sure you join it. The link is in the description box below. Let's get back to how you can use this strategy to make some really good profits. Okay, I prefer to use the 15-minute time frame on this strategy because mainly I want to catch a big move. Okay, I want to catch a big move. So from the 15-minute time frame, I know that my analysis, I can even hold it for hours, and that means I'll be in a position to collect a lot of pips and also reduce my risk of probably being wrong. Okay, it's very difficult to predict these smaller movements. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying. So here is boom 500. We're in our 15-minute time frame. How are we actually going to use this strategy? Of course, we're going to be using resistance points for each and every entry. And how do you do that? Let's say you want to enter into a sell trade. You have to wait for this green line to be at a resistance point, which is this level 90. Once you see that the green line is at a resistant point like that, you're going to go to your main chart, which is here where you have your candlesticks, and you're going to wait for the market to go below the red line. Once you see that the market is below the red line, you know that your resistance has been confirmed. Okay, which means that the market is most likely going to start pushing downwards, and it actually did. And these are the bigger movements that I was telling you about. Can you see how much this market, can you see how much this trade would actually give you? Okay, same thing if you want to enter into a buy trade, you have to wait for your green line to be at a support zone, which is this level down here. And once it is at our support zone, you're going to wait for the market on your main chart to cross to be above the blue line. Once your market crosses and closes above the blue line, you know that you're most likely going to be in a buy trend. Why? Because we are at a support zone. The green line is indicating that we're at a support zone, and we also see a break of the blue line, which was acting as our trend line. So we're actually saying it's going to be a breakout and the market is going to push up, and it did exactly that. So this was on boom 500 500. You can also do the same thing even on crash 500. Let's just take a look at the current situation right now. You can see that a few minutes ago our green line did reach our resistance point, and also we managed to see that our market also went below our red line right around here, and anywhere around that box you could have entered your sell trade, and you can see that you'd get in profit. Okay, this is the current situation on Boom 500. If you manage to pick this trade up, you still be profitable. I also use price action, so I can actually predict that we might actually even go a little bit further down there, so I might actually even jump in right now, because I'm also looking at this resistance zone, or this zone that has been respected quite a number of times. It was once a support zone. Here it was a resistance and support at the same time, so we might actually test that level again right here. Now I'm using price action. Can you see how it improves my trade? So tell me guys what you think about this strategy. Comment down below if you have any other questions, and I'll be free to answer you and help you guys. Don't forget to like this video. Let's get to 100 likes, and let's grow together. Until next time.